Have you ever thought about how many different types of important filters you have throughout your home? Properly maintaining, cleaning, or replacing these filters helps keep your appliances running efficiently for longer, which can lead to big savings. Let's learn about some of the major filters you may have in your home and what makes them so important. Dryer filters catch lint and debris from your clothes, but a dirty filter can make your dryer work harder and longer than it needs to. Keeping the inside dryer vent and the vent outside your home both clean will lead to faster drying and energy savings. Range hood filters are crucial for your kitchen ventilation system, capturing grease, smoke, and odors to maintain clean air. Keeping them clean reduces energy consumption and wear and tear on the unit. Dishwasher filters trap food particles and debris to prevent clogs. Routinely cleaning this filter keeps the unit running efficiently, saving water and time. Some refrigerators have a filter for the ice maker and water dispenser. These filters keep your drinking water clean and tasting fresh. Whole home ventilation filters are found within both energy recovery and heat recovery ventilators, which filter out dust, pollen, and other fine particles from the outside air before it enters your home. Keeping these filters clean will help maintain healthy indoor air quality and increase efficiency. Many homes have standalone air purifiers with their own filters. Keeping these filters clean helps to improve indoor air quality by trapping dust, allergens, and other visible and microscopic particles around your home. Some homes also have standalone humidifiers. The filter in a humidifier isn't exactly a filter, but a water panel designed to improve evaporation. Keeping this panel clean will allow your humidifier to work more efficiently. HVAC filters are crucial to the indoor air quality of your home and to protect the HVAC system. Regularly replacing your HVAC filter, along with yearly HVAC tune-ups, can improve your home's health, save energy, and extend the unit's lifespan. Have questions about what filters you have and when to replace them? We're here to help. Find a Focus on Energy Trade Ally contractor in your area to answer questions and help with your filter maintenance, HVAC tune-ups, home energy assessments, and more. Visit focusonenergymarketplace.com/air-quality or call 800-762-7077 to learn more.